Greetings to the whole world. Again, it's Luandile here, as always, you guys. This right here is nothing else but the third episode, the fourth episode on me keeping you posted, you guys, regarding this mobile app of mine called Alcoholic. Okay? It is probably worth mentioning that on the previous episode, I was letting you guys know about the groups screen. Right? Remember, we're having groups as competitors. We're having group competing for alcohol, the very same alcohol which were created by store owners. Okay. Now the game plan is I wanna, after a particular competition, after we've chosen a winner, after we've chosen a prize to be won, I wanna create something I call a one prize summary, right? Something that will actually contain data about the particular store from which the competition was playing, the location for that store, the group name that actually won the prize. What else? What else do I want? I also want the description of that particular prize that was won. For instance, it could be anything. It could be Heineken, or maybe a 24 pack of what? Of Castle mixed out, or whatever you want to think, or whatever you can probably think of, you guys. So again, I wanna have a way to represent those one prize summaries, right? I also want people to comment. I also want alcoholics to make comments on a particular group that happened to win a prize. Okay, so enough of words. Let me just head straight to my machine. That way you will see what is it I'm talking about. Here we go. Oops. Okay. These are one prizes, you guys. As I told you, you see this right here. It's actually the store name, the store from which the competition was playing. Right below that, we've got the store home, which is it could be some neighborhood on a given town, or township. Right below that, it is actually a specific location for that area. Okay, at the bottom, as you can see, I've got a winner here. I also got a grand prize that was won. In this case, we've got Savannah 24 pack at 330 mils, 24 pack Savannah. Okay, and we also got the date from which this prize was won. Okay, and right below are the members of the group that actually won the prize. Below that, we've got again the home of a particular group. In this case, it's Dunbar in Mayville in Durban. Again, Mayville is a huge township in Durban, and right there we also got an area called Dunbar. So to be more specific, at the bottom we need to mention something, right? In this case, it could be anything, you guys. We just want to be more specific. That's the whole point. And finally, I want people to write comments on these one prizes, right over here. Okay, I haven't implemented that part though. And at the bottom, these are comments that are made by other people. Again, as you can see, this is just rubbish, you guys. Like, I was only copying and pasting some text just to have a UI. That is pretty much it for a given one price, you guys. This is the second one right here. Okay, just so you know, you guys, you see this pick used actually has some things I don't like. For instance, there should be no prices on the images that are put by store owners as grand prizes. Okay, yeah, you guys remember these right here are these images I'm using are actually for demonstration purpose. Okay, I don't want people to get confused or think I will be using them commercially. Nope, no ways. That is pretty much it, you guys. I think I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, you guys, that should be it. I don't wanna make this video longer than it's supposed to, so I'm going.